So this is the second part of the video. I'm comparing the iDraw versus the Axidraw. What I wanted to do was to control the Axidraw and the iDraw with just one computer, but I couldn't make it happen. So I'm using one laptop for each, and these are the first results. This is the iDraw, and this is the Axidraw. I did some really simple lines to begin with, just to check out that everything is working properly. And now I'm gonna do a test with a spiral. I want to do exactly the same drawing on both machines and then come up with the final conclusions and results. Okay, so I got both machines ready. Start iDraw, start the Axidraw. Go. I did try to match up the speed on both machines, but they're not exactly the same. They're just close enough. So this is how it's going so far. That's the iDraw. And here's the Axidraw. The Axidraw just finished, and the iDraw pretty much done also. And it's done. They both finished. They look pretty similar. I'm gonna have a closer look and talk about my final thoughts about these two machines. These are the main difference between the two, in no particular order. First, let's talk about the price. One is $700 and the other one is $679, so there's not such a big difference there. Second, of course, the design. This is an H-type versus a T-type. The design of the H-type, I like it better. For no particular reason, seems more precise. But the materials used here, this is a solid piece of aluminum, and this is just a C-type, I think it's called, type of rail. They're not as heavy, but they do the job perfectly anyway. It's just a feeling. Seat motor. This is much powerful than this one here. I have been through a couple of those. You can upgrade them, of course, but that spring right there puts a lot of pressure down, so it's really helpful for help-in type pens. Software. They both use Inkscape as an extension. They cannot share the same library maybe, or some part of the extension. Maybe that's the reason I couldn't make to work both with just one computer. But apart from that, they are really similar. The footprint of the iDraw, it's bigger, the Axidraw is smaller, and it can be a little bit awkward when you're trying to put some tape and get to the corners here. Here's a little bit easier because there's more room in general. But on the same note, with the Axidraw, there's a rail sticking out. I have hit it sometimes and it's not cool. You don't have that issue with the iDraw. And cable management, another difference. I think you can zip tie them and make it more tidy, but this is more organized out of the box. Another small detail, when I hit the pause button on the Axidraw, it's much faster. When I hit it here, it takes a little bit longer. Maybe not a big deal, but that's another difference. So that's it. I hope this video helps you decide which plotter fits you better. And now back to plotting. See you.